The 2001 RX 300. As one of the first entries in the crossover luxury SUV segment, the Lexus RX 300 provides a high seating position, available all-wheel drive, and generous cargo capacity, along with great fuel economy, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual front airbags, air conditioning, front, cruise control, premium sound, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, power door locks, fog lamps, power windows, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.